Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about instead of trigger. Okay, so before that, my question is, can we update a view? So say for example, I have created a view. So the interviewer will ask a question like, can I write an update statement on view? So our answer would be like, we will be in a dilemma, okay, because most of the time we are habituated in updating a table, but we never update a view, right? So we'll be in a dilemma to tell yes or no. So the answer is yes, we can update a view provided the view refers only to one table. So say for example, if the view is created on one table, like create view as select star from employee, yeah, then you can insert as well as you can update. Provided there is no primary key, means there are certain constraints, means you need to check everything. So if you are inserting duplicate key, then you may get an error. But yeah, you can insert into a view rather than direct into the table, provided the view refers only to the one table. So let's check that using the script. So basically what I have done, I created a table employee, department and a view. So since they are already there, I'm just dropping them. So I'm creating the employee table with employee ID, name, employee location, department ID. And then I'm inserting few values into the employee table. I created department table. I inserted few values into the department table. Don't worry guys, so I'll put the script in the description section so that it will be useful for you. And then I created an employee view. So it basically have employee name, ID and location from same table, employee table. And then I have inserted into employee view. Let's see if this works. So I'm running the script. Since it is referring to one table, it should work because I am directly inserting into the view. Yeah. So it ran and it inserted already. So that's fine. So basically it's inserted the row. So this means like whenever the view is referred to one table, it's working fine. Okay, cool. Now what we will do, uh, instead of creating a view like this, means referring to only single table. So what I have done is I created a view by joining department as well. So I have done an inner join on department B on department ID equal department ID, and I got the department name. So basically my view contains employee name, employee ID, location, department name and department ID. So this is my view. Now referring to two tables. Okay, let's see whether this will insert. So what I have done, I will insert only name, ID and location. Assume there are no primary key and foreign keys. Okay. So at least three values should be inserted, like sorry, these three columns should be inserted and remaining columns should be null. So remaining columns are department name and department ID. It should be null. So let's see how it works. I'm just running the script again. I think somewhere there is an issue. Mm, I'll run the script again. The script is running. Yeah. So everything went fine. See, not enough values. Okay, I think okay, since a view has more number of columns, that's why it's giving this error. Okay, I'll mention that. So my view has employee name, emp name, comma, emp id, comma, emp location, comma, dpt name, comma, dpt id. Then values. Okay, this should work right now. So run. So the script is running. Let's wait for some time. Not enough values. Okay, maybe I'll provide. Okay, remove this. Sorry, my bad. Actually, I wanted to shorten the video time. That is the reason I am going little fast. So let's run the script once again. Let's see what happens. So we get this error. So what is this error? Cannot modify a column which maps to non-key preserved table. So basically it means that this error will come whenever we are trying to insert into view which is referring to multiple tables. So what we'll do in that case? So instead of trigger is at our rescue, so we need to create a trigger called instead of trigger. So I'll create this trigger. So what this trigger will do? So if you can see, this is simple English. So instead of insert on view, so what I am doing, instead of insert, I am inserting separately into employee table, and I am inserting separately into department table, where new is nothing but whatever value you mentioned in the insert. Like here you have mentioned Raj, so new employee ID. So the employee ID will be going to corresponding employee ID. So new is a keyword, standard static keyword. You need to use that. This is fine, right? So basically what I'm doing, instead of insert on view, I am inserting separately into the tables. So now what should happen? This should not fail. So basically I have given three values, three columns here and three values here. Let's see like if this works. Okay, now I am running this entire script. See, it inserted. Cool, right? Like we can use the instead of trigger, also to insert into the views. So I'm not sure about the real-time scenario, but I'm trying to check like where and all we can use. But the concept is good. Like basically the interviewer want to test your knowledge on the triggers. So this instead of trigger, we can also update as well. Similar to new keyword, you have old keyword. So why we use old keyword? So I'll just give a flow chart. So if you want to update a view, then what will happen? You'll just give update. You'll just create a trigger. Instead of update, you will give. Then you will have values, right? Like basically your statement will be something like this: update this view, and then set new set old one is equal to new value. So old keyword comes into the picture at that time. Like here new keyword means all the new values are inserted, old keyword will come during this scenario. So you can check in the Google like for this. So I just wanted to give an idea like why we use instead of trigger and how we can update a view when it is referring more than one table. So instead of trigger is also it's just a way of altering your insert statement. So basically instead of insert, instead of update, instead of delete, so if you want to do something else, then you can use instead of trigger. So hope this is clear. I am actually open for suggestions or feedback. Please do subscribe and like my channel, and you can also comment in the comment section if you have any queries. I will be answering you in the comment section itself. Thank you friends, thanks for watching my video.